What's going on? Prashil here, and today I'm super pumped to be doing the unboxing of the Sony A7 Mark IV full frame camera, which by the way does come with the 28 to 70 mm lens. So yeah, you get the whole thing in one package. And yeah, I'm super pumped for this unboxing. So let's just get straight into it. All right, so the box itself is pretty low key. You've just got the sort of A logo here and the Sony branding up top, and what you get in the box here, and that's pretty much it for the box. So let's open this up and get straight into it. I've got absolutely no clue what this is, so I'll just set it aside. Let's open up the boxes here. And right off the bat, it looks like we've got a bunch of different manuals talking about SD cards. And let's see what else. Oh, you've also got sort of a little bit of advertising about all the lenses and accessories that I suppose will work with these series of cameras. And yeah, a bunch of other things. This is a manual on the lens. So yeah, bunch of paperwork. I'll set this aside so we can get to the good stuff. All right, so it looks like we've got the power cables here so we can charge the camera. I'll set that aside. Open it up to the star of the show. So just over here, you've got the Sony A7 Mark IV strap, and it even says the A7 Mark IV here, which is really nice. Yeah, the strap honestly doesn't feel as good as the one I got with my Fuji X-T4, but yeah, you get a strap nonetheless. All right, so you've got a battery here, I'm assuming. All right, so I guess this is your charging brick. I honestly thought this was a battery, but yeah, it's probably not. I think this might be your battery though. Yep. So yeah, you've got your standard lithium battery for the camera. All right, now let's have a look at the lens. Wow, I mean the packaging is quite nice. They really want to take care of everything in the box. So yeah, this is your lens. So yeah, the lens actually is not too bulky, and it's actually really light, which is nice. I mean, this is a kit lens, but still, it's nice to know that it is quite light and you can easily take it out with you, take some great shots with it. So yeah, let's set this aside here and let's get to the main attraction. And there you have it. This is the Sony A7 IV. And I gotta say, it's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Just looking at the photos and video of it, it seemed like it would actually be quite hefty. I mean, it's got a full frame sensor, and yeah, I've never actually owned a full frame camera before, and so yeah, I was always under the impression that it might just be a little bit heavier, especially with all the new internals that they've put in. And yeah, it's got this really nice grip here, but yeah, the grip is definitely better than the grip on my Fuji X-T4. As you can see, it's a little bit less pronounced. So yeah, when gripping this camera for, I'd say, multiple hours, your hand does start to get a little bit sore. So it is nice that Sony's actually made a really nice grip for the A4, and it feels really good in the hand. You've got the LCD screen here. And so yeah, I'm super pumped to be doing the unboxing for the A7 IV, and I'm really excited to actually go out and take some really great photos with it, plus some really great footage as well, because this is the first Sony camera in the A7 series that can actually shoot 10-bit footage. So yeah, that will be really cool, and I'm excited to get that going. And yeah, so this is pretty much the unboxing of the Sony A7 IV, and my first impression is I really love this grip. It actually feels really ergonomic in the hand. Camera's honestly not that heavy. It's really light, and I think when in conjunction with this lens, I think it'll actually weigh probably less than my Fuji X-T4 with the 18 to 55 mm lens. All right, so opening up the sensor cap, just gotta turn it over here. And yeah, this is the latest and greatest that Sony has to offer in the A7 series. It's lovely full frame sensor. And yeah, I gotta say the size is really crazy, especially compared to the CMOS sensor in my X-T4. But yeah, there's the sensor in all its glory. All right, so I'll just place the battery in here. And I gotta say, just sliding this in here like that, closing this door over here. And yeah, I gotta say, even with the battery, it actually does feel like it's gonna be lighter than my X-T4. But yeah, super nice. Super ergonomic, and yeah, the buttons feel good too. So yeah, this is my unboxing of the Sony A7 IV, and this is pretty much what you can expect in the box. You've got the lens, you've got the battery, you've got the hood for the lens, you get a strap here, as well as the charging brick and charging cable. This is what you can expect in the box. My name is Prashil. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my review. But till then, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.